Small good. Digital marketing. See, digital marketing is huge. I don't know how many of you know. Many of our VLE have created YouTube channels for CSC. Whatever service I launch, they will convert into local language and tell the others saying that this is how the CSC service is done. Like the question you have in mind, he solved the problems. And they have so many subscribers, they actually earned about 50,000 rupees every month because the subscriber base is very large. Hindi mein, English mein, Tamil mein, Telugu mein, they created the YouTube channels. And the moment today, suppose I launch a new service, in the night that fellow will create a YouTube and learn it. The CSC का नया सर्विस शुरू हुआ. ऐसे शुरू करना है, ये स्क्रीनशॉट है, ये स्क्रीनशॉट है, ये स्टून, इतना कमीशन आएगा, इतना मार्जिन आएगा, और ये FAQ है. That's what he does. And he runs. There are about 10 to 15 people who run YouTube channel only for CSC and generate their own business in that format. Today is a huge market. You should also try and allow community to use YouTube channel to generate income. कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, कोई बुरा भी नहीं है. In my view, there is nothing wrong in it. Technology के साथ अपना business बनाने में कोई नुकसान नहीं है. As long as if somebody, some village has traditional food habits or cooking habits, they can actually put in YouTube channel. If the subscriber base increases, then they can do it. So they keep adding dishes into the system. There are many who are earning it. I know about a Gujarati woman who earns quite a lot of money only on food dishes being done. Somebody does on yoga, somebody does on some practices. YouTube channel. Digital marketing is a subject which also we learn. We have launched a digital marketing program. Anybody who you want to do it, I will tell you actually that how is your website, because see, one of the things we do, we create a digital identity for every CSC.